Creating a delivery docket. Log in to Job Commander. Select Job Invoicing from the menu on the left-hand taskbar. You'll need to log into Job Invoicing and then select your name from the list and click OK. As there are no current delivery dockets or invoices, select Job from the search option in the middle and Job Number from the drop-down window. If you do not have the job number, you can also search by customer name or account number. Enter the job number in the value field and click Find. The job should be listed below. Click on the listed job so it is highlighted, then select the Delivery button from the top menu bar. This will import the details of the job for the delivery docket. Often the delivery address and invoicing address are different. If this is the case, when creating the new job, the address field in the Customer tab can be adjusted, and by selecting Use Job Address, this will update the information from the job to the delivery docket. After checking the details are correct, return to the docket details page and select Print. Check that the image header field is pointing to the correct logo and that the standard template is selected. If you require more than one type of template, click on the Add New button, make the changes and save your new template with a descriptive name. Print Preview allows you to view the document prior to printing. You are then asked if you want to complete the transaction. If you say yes, no further changes can be made. If you want to make changes to the document or allow a supervisor to check the details of the document, select No. When your delivery docket is complete, the job is ready for invoicing.